mind-blowing scientific facts that showcase the wonders of the natural world. Time dilation. When you travel very fast, time for you passes more slowly compared to someone who is not moving. This is part of Einstein's theory of relativity, quantum entanglement. Particles can be connected in a way that when you change one, the other changes instantly, no matter how far apart they are. DNA storage. Scientists can store digital data in DNA because it has a high storage capacity. Antimatter. Antimatter is the opposite of normal matter, and when it meets regular matter, they destroy each other, releasing a lot of energy.